All right, we got some goodies. We got some real goodies. We'll show some more goodies. I ordered the bushings and stuff, and they were not basically kind of like the polyurethane type deal or anything like that, but they had the metal sleeves on it, which was really hard to get in the shackles. You had to press them and probably ended up scratching the crap out of them. So I ordered these, and these will also work for the leaf springs. So we got these. Took forever to get. Like, I ordered them, and the place took like probably a week just to ship them out. Don't know why. But I also bought this from Walmart. It's a magnet thing. So smash my finger on that. So if I'm working on stuff and I'll put my bolts there, or there or there. I have a smaller one, but sometimes you need a bigger one. Anyways, I ordered the diff cover. I ordered the wrong one, but I went and got the right one. This is actually a Yukon, put it on yourself, diff cover. But anyways, I just got basically a solid black one. I ordered one that was chrome. It had the bolts, had the gasket. I think it was all like $60 or like around like $65 after tax. I was like, that's not a bad idea. That's not a bad deal. But guess what? Well, it was the wrong one. I needed an 11 bolt and wait, I needed a 10 bolt. Wait. I needed a 10 bolt. There we go. I needed a 10 bolt, and I had I think it was 11 bolt or something. So the bolts wouldn't fit, and plus it wasn't smushy. It was kind of perfect. So I was like, okay, well, I'll order this. So I took it back to Advance. They took it in, ordered this, and I was like, cool, does that come with the bolts? Does that come with the gasket? How much is it for just this then? Because the other was $65, $112 just for this crap. Figures. The one that fits is more. So I got the gasket and everything. I don't have new bolts, but I think we can use those. I'll probably just take the bolts and sandblast them or something. Make them look a little better, paint them or whatever. But we're going to sandblast this and put some purple-licious on this bad boy. But candy purple. But we're not going to do that today, because guess why? Because we're not. This will be another video. I know people's been asking why I've been working on this truck. And let me tell you what, behind the scenes, I've done absolutely squat with it. So, but we are going. Look, they knew it was purple. Well, I was going to do purple. Look at that, just for me. Thank you, Daystar. So I bought something. So everybody's been saying I need a Chevy, since I'm going to pull a GMC with the Cummins. But everybody keeps saying I'm going to drop my transmission and the truck's going to break down, which I understand about the transmission. Ha ha ha! Transmission problems with Dodge. Like, literally, I know about that. But then they're like, the motor's going to mess up. It has a Cummins in it. Like, literally, I like every truck. I don't care what you drive. I like them all. You know, it could be a Ford Ranger. It's cool. You know, but people are saying the Cummins is going to break the engine. If you look online, nobody says, let's Duramax that, swap that old truck over there. Or let's Power Stroke swap that truck. They said, let's 12 valve it. Let's put a Cummins in it, which mine's a 24 valve. But come on now. The transmission, yeah, I'll probably break. Maybe, I don't know. But come on, give me some credit. At least I do have a decent diesel engine. But I bought a Chevrolet. Because everybody's, I don't know why it came out so hick. But I bought a Chevrolet. And I know Simp, the guy I'm going to tug a war with, has a GMC, but it's a GM product, whatever, you know. He said he has 4 wheels in the back. I bought one with 4 wheels. Same, you know. So let's go take a look at this bad boy. So I did buy a Chevrolet, and it's pretty nice. And I mean, it has a drawing of what the Dodge is going to do to Simp's vehicle. So, let me show you my new Chevrolet. Alright, so a lot of y'all probably wondered if this is Trailblazer SS. Now I'm pretty sure they got like a 6.0 or maybe a 6.2, not really sure, but I know they got a V8. They're pretty mean. So yes, this is a Trailblazer SS. Special Trailblazer SS. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. So let me take you on a tour of this bad super special machine. Now I want to tell you what, first thing is, this thing's actually more fancier than like my Cummins or any of my second gens or anything like that. Maybe not as fancy as the Durango, but this thing's pretty fancy. She's got heated seats, which before I really have some fun with this, I actually thought about taking the seats out and putting my Cummins, because it's really nice. But let me show you some of the features on here. First, let me start this bad boy up, because Chevys are really reliable. Alright, she started up pretty good. I mean, this vehicle's so fast, she's going 160 right now. We might need a jump. If I only had a vehicle that would start to jump it. Oh, I'll pick a Dodge. Alright, to make this thing actually a little bit maybe faster and everything, well, yeah, raise hell and praise Dale. I would write some other stuff out here, but I'm very terrible at writing, so we're just going to put 3 on the side. Yeah, what you know about that life? We're going so fast, only half of it's on fire. Let's go ahead and put a number 3 on the side. Yeah, what? Oh yeah, no. Never mind LT, that's for Loving Total SS. Alright. Oh yeah, baby. I love how things sound. As you see, there's like nothing but mud here. Oh yeah. Good thing about diesel, I got batteries on both sides, so it don't matter which side's parked on, I got you. And I got some gas. Woo! Rest in peace this yard for this year. All right, so I give it a little bit. It literally did not scratch anything except for like maybe right there. Probably not. Like it actually did really good. Well, oh man, I hope that's. Oh, that might. Oh, we'll put that in the back here. We'll keep a little pile back there. Oh yeah.
Hey, your bumper's coming off. Huh? Bumper's coming off.
My bumper's coming?
Yeah.
Huh? What kind of pile is this? I know how to get that off. But one thing's been bothering me about this whole thing. Door squeak, you follow me. This is what's been bothering me. I call this old Rhonda. Apparently, I think we might have a little rust issue there. But look at this. I bought this. Owner told me that was good. It ain't good. It's broke. Ridiculous.
And you're missing a light bulb down there. That's what
and
was
I'm
out.
missing a light bulb. Can you imagine that? Buying a vehicle. Told me it was well maintained. An old woman had it. Just drove it to Kroger's every now and then to get her, you know, beer. That's it. But maybe a pack of, you know, Virginia Slims or something like that. But like literally, I guess we want to take the the bumper off. I know what we can do for that one. And I would do a tug of war right now, but my woman, my lady, she got knocked up. It's about me. And I ain't gonna let her sit in here while we're tugging a war or anything like that, because that'd just be terrible. So I gotta wait till one of my cousins or something free, and we're gonna drag this thing. Well, I'm just saying, if you'd ever see this video, it's cause this daggone thing dragged me across the yard in my Cummins. That'd suck. But oh man, that was like that, I swear. All right, so the bumper seems like it needs pulled. The front's out, so if I pull the top out or the bottom out more, we'll fix it. Perfect. So just tell me when I stop, all right?
Okay.
I just wanted to get tight, but let me know when it's back in place. SS. Think we can do it with hair dryer, heat gun, whatever?
I don't know.
You got a hair dryer? If not, we can use curlers or something. Heat them up. Watch out, I'm getting ready to pull this off. Ground clearing. She's off road now. Heck yeah. So if you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that like button. And put in the comments we should chop the top off and make it a truck. Like, I'll make this thing. This thing will be a mini Trailblazer SS Cat Eye pick 'em up truck Silverado. I think it'd be pretty good. So do it. I think we should. We'll chop the top off. I might take the seats out before we do that because I really want the seats in my truck. They are super comfortable. Man, look at the scratch.